The Meme Season Index, a new index on WhalePortal.com, which shows you exactly whether it is meme token season or whether it is not meme season. Guys, in today's video, I'm going to explain to you how the Meme Season Index actually works. And we have a lot of different indexes as well. And they are going to be, or they are actually already a index that you cannot miss in your trading strategy, because this will give you such a good oversight on which tokens are basically outperforming Bitcoin, but there is way more to it. So guys, let's jump straight into it. If you go to WhalePortal.com and you go to the home page and you scroll below, you can actually see that we have the Meme Season Index right now on the front page. If you want to go to the separate page of the Meme Season Index and get more data, or you want to see the other season indexes, you can click here on charts. Then you can see right here we have the Meme Season Index, Gaming Season Index, DeFi Season Index, ISO20022 season index, and they are also in the footer down below on the website on the performance index. Okay guys, when we go to meme season index, then we can see that we have a couple of buttons right here, and we have a line chart, and this line chart is basically showing whether it is meme season or whether it is not meme season, or whether it's basically Bitcoin season, because right now we are valuing the meme tokens against Bitcoin. So what this graph is basically doing, it is tracking the biggest meme tokens, and it's tracking the performance of those meme tokens against Bitcoin. So when, for example, we can see the calculation of this, we can see actually below, but we have some meme tokens, and when these meme tokens are outperforming Bitcoin, that is the moment that we are going up in the index range. From meme winter to cautious terrain to meme spring to meme mania. This is of course already where a lot of meme tokens are outperforming Bitcoin, and full meme season is where literally every meme token is outperforming Bitcoin. So in this moment you actually want to be positioned in meme tokens, and the good part is, guys, full meme season is really good. It just shows us whether meme tokens are outperforming, yes or no. So whenever this chart is at lower levels, you might want to be looking to buying into meme tokens if that is something you are into, if you are interested in meme tokens in general. When this chart is going up, you might say, okay, we are seeing a change in the momentum, meme tokens are gaining some traction, I'm going to look into some charts, into some meme token charts, because I believe that right now there are the possibilities in the markets. So a lot of things you can do right here. So now you can actually see that we are in meme winter, so we are at pretty low levels, so there's not many meme tokens that are outperforming Bitcoin, almost none of them. And you gotta imagine, guys, this is against a 30 days time frame. It's also possible to look at it from a 90 days perspective, which will give you a little bit more of a longer term time frame with the meme tokens on what's happening, right? So here you can see already that on a longer term time frame, meme tokens are actually not doing that bad. It's definitely not meme season, and in the shorter term time frame, definitely not. But if you look at it from a 90 days perspective, you do see some momentum coming up in the meme token section. And this is a very interesting metric, because this, for example, the 90 days shows that it might not be directly in the very short term explode to the upside, but on a course of 90 days, we are seeing some meme tokens having outperformed Bitcoin. This is a very valuable information, because most altcoins actually have been underperforming Bitcoin. So you will not see this with most altcoins. When I saw this metric in the first place, I had to recalculate it, because I was like, how is it possible that this token cluster, meme season, the meme tokens basically are outperforming Bitcoin over this period of time? But it is true. Meme tokens are outperforming Bitcoin if you look at the past 90 days. So that's a big sign, guys. It shows me that sooner or later we are going back to the top of this range. I believe so, and we are going to see a bigger meme season. So it's time to look on the 30 days and to see on the 30 days where are we in the chart, and are there any opportunities lining up. And right now, with the meme season index being so low on the 30 days but building momentum on the 90 days, I believe this brings unique opportunities, and it just gives you a very good perspective on what is happening in the markets and where capital is flowing. And a very interesting thing, guys, is where we thought about is because normally you want to check the token's valuation against Bitcoin, right? But sometimes in the bull market, we also have a Ethereum season. So Ethereum could outperform, like, for example, Bitcoin. So you want to know whether your meme token actually will outperform Ethereum, not Bitcoin, because maybe Bitcoin is just moving sideways. Then you can actually select Ethereum right here, and it will check all the meme tokens, valuations, against Ethereum. So it will basically have this whole index range, but then evaluation against Ethereum. So we can see right now as well that in the shorter term time frame, meme tokens are not outperforming Ethereum. So there's also a meme win in Ethereum. You might not use this metric that often, but it's very valuable that the possibility is there to see it shorter term, longer term time frame, and compare the valuations of these meme tokens against the bigger cryptocurrencies out there. Maybe you want to check Ripple, because Ripple is, for example, doing pretty good, and this might be good in different sectors that I'm going to go over with you as well. So we have, for example, the gaming season index. Well, gaming is actually doing not good. They are doing game over right now. There is not a gaming token right now that is outperforming Bitcoin. So this can tell you two things. Right now, you definitely, in the past, you definitely didn't want to be in this gaming index. They are not really doing that good. They are not gaining so much traction. Maybe there are some unique opportunities right now because nothing is outperforming Bitcoin. But you can see that this is clearly a little bit dead. And it has been here also. It has not been ranging that much as we're seeing with the meme season. Meme tokens definitely have way more traction than gaming season. But whenever that's changing, this index will show that. So we can see here exactly which tokens are very important in the in the gaming season. Here we have the index range, of course. Again, we go from game over to tutorial mode to leveling up, boss fight ahead, full gaming season is when most gaming tokens are outperforming Bitcoin. And of course, you can check this also short, longer term time frame. Check this against other tokens. Then we have, guys, the DeFi season index. I find this very interesting because the DeFi season is actually looking pretty good. So while altcoins are taking a big hit, because when you look at the Bitcoin dominance just goes up and up and up and up. So the altcoins all take quite a big hit. Right, so generally, if you do not focus on certain clusters, like a DeFi season index, you would say that all altcoins are actually going down against Bitcoin, but that's not true, because in the DeFi sector, there are definitely some altcoins that are outperforming Bitcoin, and DeFi is holding pretty strong. So I believe, guys, when the real alt season comes, DeFi tokens are going to do insanely good because they already show strength when we are seeing a Bitcoin season. So this is again a cluster. Here you can see the tokens that are important right here. And yeah, here we also have the index range. We have DeFi winter, weak autumn, which we are right now in, DeFi spring, DeFi summer, and full DeFi season. And we have, of course, a very important, I believe, sector, that is the ISO20022 compliant tokens. We have seen a massive hype of ISO20022 tokens in 2024. Was really a massive hype. These are tokens that are, for example, XRP, Cardano, Quant, Algorand, Stellar, Hedera, IOTA, XDC, and so forth. Those are ISO 222 compliant. And yeah, we have just seen major seasons right here in 2024, which was very beautiful. Then they stayed here for quite a while. So they have been outperforming Bitcoin for quite a while. There was a lot of strength. And yeah, I think this season of ISO 222 will come back as well. So here you can actually track that. So it is all verifiable. That's the most important thing. So when Altseason comes and the news will be blasted everywhere and everyone will talk about crypto, you can actually go to WhalePortal.com, you can check the season indexes, and you can basically see, okay, for example, the meme season index is right now at these levels, gaming is right there, DeFi is right here, ISO is right there. I can see the most strength, for example, is in memes. So right now I'm looking into memes, and we are seeing the least strength, for example, in gaming, or maybe in ISO. ISO20022, so you can go over these charts individually and look for unique setups to take profits on the ones that are in full-blown season, to eventually go to the seasons that are in low season. So you go from high seasons, take profits right there, and might be entering in low seasons, because there are so many ways, guys, how you can basically use these charts, because you can also see this, for example, as an oscillator. So we have a high, low, high, low, high, and then we go low, and you can calculate the times between these highs and lows, and then you can find a rhythmic pattern in the market as well. How long did it take from these lows till these highs? What is the time frame? How long did we spend there? So for example, here we spent a certain amount of time. Maybe we are going to see something similar right here. It will just give you a very good overview, so you are not really grasping in the dark. You can just verify everything by looking at this line chart, or just looking at the barometer at what the value is right now. And if you need, of course, explanation of that value, you can go down and read this text. But yeah, guys, it's just basically a very simple index, multiple indexes that will give you a very clear picture on where capital is rotating to, and this can be very beneficial if there's an altcoin season, or maybe not an altcoin season, but a certain DeFi season or meme coin season, because the first metric where you can actually see whether that's happening is this specific metric over on WhalePortal.com. Guys, that was it for today's video. Thank you all for watching. Leave a thumbs up if you like this video, much appreciated. Wish you all a beautiful day, and hope to see every single one of you in the next video. Bye bye.